Now, here's something you may have not seen before, so I encourage you to draw this with me, okay? We're going to draw the top half. Again, I'm going to do my best, just pretend this is a nice little semicircle on the top. And we're not going to draw the subconscious. We're just going to draw the body. We're going to put some arms and legs on that so we know what it is. However, we're not going to draw the subconscious. If you can get this idea, you'll understand everything that we keep covering. As we let this spiritual energy form our ideas, and our ideas are becoming a magnificent obsession in our minds. This is our goal. Not the current scenario, not the circumstance. You say, hell no, I'm going to go forward, and I'm going to make sure this idea, this goal that I want is coming into fruition. Once you get to that stage and you say, I'm deciding on this, there's nothing else. I don't care about the money. I don't care about the other things around me. I'm doing this. It doesn't matter about the circumstances you're in. As soon as that point happens, you keep letting yourself get emotionally involved with this idea. You start to feel that it's already here and it dominates your thinking. Here's what happens. At all places, at all times, your goal is now manifested in this world. The idea, it's not just in your subconscious mind. Remember that subconscious mind is universal mind. There is no time and there is no space. Therefore, your idea is in all places in this universe. Now, that's why somebody can come from China and they will be in resonance with your idea to have them with the impression increase, them winning and you winning at the same time, and you guys connect exactly as needed because your idea in the subconscious mind is now in all places at all times. That's why you don't have to know how it's all going to happen, but you have to match that frequency. Now, our conscious mind has time associated with it. There is time and space. That's what we experience. We consciously are aware of our time span in linear fashion. If you don't know anything I'm saying, that's okay. Okay. If you know what I'm saying, that's great. If you don't, that's great. We're going to go through this very simply afterwards. I just want to get really deep here, okay? Time and space is associated with our conscious mind, but there is no time and space in the subconscious. How does this work? A little Google Pixel 2 phone. How does this thing work? Have you ever thought of it? How can I call you? Let's pick somebody out here. Who do we got? Andrew, you're first on the participants list here. Andrew, we've had phone calls before. How can I call you at any time, regardless of you living in the Carolinas? Regardless of time zone. And instantaneously, when I call you, I can hear your voice and you can hear mine without any delays. We are on opposite sides of the country, opposite time zones within our country. And I can call you and instantaneously I can hear your voice. How is that possible? Because our phones operate on vibrational frequencies. Your cell phone number is a frequency. My cell phone number is a frequency. And when I dial that number, those frequencies come together in order for me to get your line. It is way more complicated than that. But that's the principle behind it. So it doesn't matter about where you are. It doesn't matter what time it is. It just matters what frequency I'm on. If we can get this, we get it all. Think about a radio. The radio towers could be way, way miles away. And we turn a radio to an FM or AM frequency, and it doesn't matter how far away it is. It doesn't matter what time of day it is. We can receive that audio transmitted so we can hear it. If we're on that frequency, if we're on that rock station or that hip hop station or country station, whatever it is. There's no time and space. Think about your thoughts. This is what we're leading into. Your thoughts operate on frequencies. Subconsciously, there is no time and space. That's why if you persist in the frequency, what's frequency? Your feeling. If you persist in a higher frequency and you get intensely emotionally involved with your idea comes from your conscious thinking down to your subconscious, and then it's in all places at all times.